Hey, welcome back to the Ponics Haven. This is Craig, your host. So I want to talk about helping hands. I've got some news here. I will be posting the plans. Alright? These are the plans to the grow towers. It comes with instructions, with the videos that are online. Comes with a parts list and everything. With the videos online and the plans, you'll be able to build one. Now there are some specific things that were left out of the do-it-yourself videos of the grow towers that are being left, that are for members only. So that are posted, that members, that will be posted. Today is let's see, today is the phone to cooperate, July the 26th. The 27th of July, I will start to begin posting videos. I will post a video that will only be able to be seen by members that have joined Helping Hands. One of the videos is how to cut the cups holders for the grow towers. Go into really great details on how to do it, and then with the plans, and in that video, at the end of that, either at the beginning of that video or at the end of that video, I will have a file, a place where you can go to download the video. I mean, download the PDF files for this from my Dropbox. Okay? And I also have the plans for the evaporated cooling wall. This is a little bit longer because it's a more extravagant build. That made me scratch my head a lot. So it goes into a lot more detail. The frame of it. It goes into building the frame, how to build the reservoir, and how to put the stuff. It's got pictures. It goes into a lot of details. It's also has a material list of everything you are going to need. And there's going to be some videos in it too that is left out of, that will, little tricks and things that you can do to help get that wall to work more efficient for you in this, and it will have the download plans in those videos. So they will be coming sometime later this week for the for that. So, and I will also be having part 3 of how to build the grow towers coming out for everyone to watch later on this week. So stay tuned for that. And I am going to do a overall thing about my evaporated cooling wall too. So, and my greenhouse is coming together. I'm excited about that. So just keep on coming back, watching my videos, and I thank you so much. and I'm really excited. I can't wait till we start to grow in there and get to start tweaking that system and getting it worked out, getting the bugs worked out, and get to be able to see the fruits of our labor. So stay tuned for so much more. I'm getting excited about what's happening here at the Ponics Haven. So get excited with us, and we got plans also coming on the greenhouse that I have out here. So I am working on that too, how I built it. So stay tuned for that. They will be in the next week or so. Will be on helping hands. So stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching, and God bless you, and you have a wonderful day.